Hi everyone, I'm Kasey Morgan, Assistant Director of Judicial Operations and the Public Information Officer for the 19th Judicial Circuit, and I'm joined by Chief Judge Diane Winter. We are going to talk briefly about the impact COVID-19 or the coronavirus has had on our community and the efforts that our courts are making to ensure the safety of the public and our staff. Judge Winter, the courts have reduced our operations. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Certainly. Effective March 17th, I had to close all of the branch courts. So please do not go to any branch courts. They are completely closed. Also, our misdemeanor, felony, civil, and family courts have been greatly reduced. They're hearing only emergency matters such as orders of protection or similar petitions. They're hearing bond hearings. Speedy trial cases are also being heard. Summary suspension hearings for misdemeanors. Also, the mental health and fitness cases are still being heard. And of course, possible quarantine cases are still being heard. We are doing everything we can with our jury summons to avoid calling in a jury, although we still have some serious criminal cases with speedy trial demands that may have to be heard, but we are working very hard to avoid that. Also, our Kids Corner children's waiting room is closed now. So please, contact service if you are thinking of coming to see if it's open. The law library is still open, but with very limited services.
Great. If people have questions about rescheduling court dates, who should they be contacting?
The clerk's office has been instructed to send notices of a new court date for all cases that fall within the 28-day period, which is March 17th through April 14th. So please wait a couple weeks for your notice. If you don't receive one, then contact the clerk's office. Of course, if you have an attorney, then you should contact that office because that's where your notice will go. Please remember many attorneys' offices are also short-staffed because of this emergency, so response times to you may be longer.
So it's important that we keep the public and the employees safe. Do you have any message to share to assist with our efforts?
Yes. Please do not come to the courthouse unless you absolutely have to. The clerk's office will only schedule emergencies, so do not come unless you are on the call. Also, if you will be in court, please do not bring people with you that are not required for your case. Services have been greatly reduced, and we cannot allow the few courtrooms we have open to become overcrowded with spectators. Our employees have been advised to stay home if they exhibit any symptoms or if they have been in contact with anyone who has exhibited symptoms. Be assured that during this time period, nothing will happen to your case. All cases have been continued, and the judges will try to get your case back on track as soon as they can once we are back to full services.
Great. Chief Judge Winter, thank you very much for being with us today, and everyone, thank you for watching. Please be safe and stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.